Using artificial intelligence or AI can help save energy at home. Here are 5 cool ways AI can make your home more efficient. Number 1. Smart thermostats. Companies like Nest and Ecobee make smart thermostats with AI inside. These thermostats learn your schedule and habits to automatically adjust the temperature. This saves energy by only heating or cooling when needed. Number 2. Smart meters. These are special meters provided by utility companies that use AI to analyze your energy use patterns. They give you detailed reports to help find waste and reduce it. Number 3. Smart lighting. Lights that use AI like Philips Hue can dim or brighten based on the time of day. This saves electricity by using the minimum light needed. Number 4. Appliance monitoring. AI devices can track which appliances use the most energy. This helps you find the least efficient ones to replace or use less often. And number 5. AI for maintenance. AI systems can detect faults in equipment like AC units before they break. Fixing issues early improves efficiency and prevents waste. So in summary, AI can optimize schedules, provide insights, adjust lighting, identify waste, and improve maintenance. Add_circle. Using AI is an easy way to save energy at home.